Sup tubers, Dirty Diesel here. Just recommending that you take off your shoes and socks every once in a while and get some rocks and dirt in your feet. It's good for you. So I'm doing a video about front dual shocks. I made a video already and uploaded it and then realized I didn't say anything about what I paid or anything, so doing it over. So basically what I bought was this bracket here that's welded, and it comes to this double thing here. And normally that bolt right there would go through 2 shocks. But I bought these extensions that I mounted to it, so the shocks wouldn't be, they're stock shocks, so the shocks wouldn't be maxed out. So this kit here was, I think I got it a smoking deal. They were $99.99, and I think I got this for $69.99. And then they raised the price on Amazon, $69 plus $89 shipping, so it's just retarded. I think the cheapest you could get them for is $89.99 or $99.99 just for this, not for these. And it comes with the through bolts and the through bolts down there, so you can mount 2 shocks. This is just extensions. I bought them separately on eBay. They're like, I believe, 2.5-inch lift extensions. It makes it so the shocks that are stock don't max out. So a little note about taking these off here. When you take your normal shock off, there's just going to be a nut up here. I believe it's might be a 21. And then down here, I can't remember, a 15. It's real simple. Just pop the shock off. And then these are the stock bolts. There's 3 in a triangle. And they have backing nuts that have, basically like the nut that's on the bottom of your shock that has that, basically a nut that can't spin once it hits a certain point. There's like that, flange or whatever welded onto it. So you just got to take them off, all 3 of them. That shock mount falls right off, and you just bolt this one right on. It said 3 hours install on the website, and I beg to differ. I got it done in about an hour, and that's just with these 2. So that's added work. But so you know, around $100 and you get the mount system. And don't forget to put this washer in between there, because it keeps that from pinching together. I guess the other thing I wanted to mention was that I'm real happy with the ride. It was stiff, and I like a stiff front end. I really do. Nice and stiff. And I want it to, like, when I hit a dip, I want it to stop. I don't want it to keep bouncing. And I have big leaf springs. The added leaves down there really require it. So, cool. Dirty Diesel out, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video.